Where did you go when you were asleep? Imagine that. You slept alone at home at 3 a.m. From a quantum mechanical perspective, without a camera, without any observers. In what form do you exist? Where are your boundaries at this moment? 2. If you suddenly disappear, is there anyone that can directly prove that you just evidence here? 3. You who were busy during the day, and you who are sleeping now. Except they're all in the same bed. Is it still the same you? Hello, stay up late. Welcome to the Old Horse Quest Society. You don't need philosophical arguments today. In quantum physics, the strangest observer effect tear you apart when you are asleep. See what happens when you fall asleep? First of all, it is absolutely impossible to avoid interference experiment that has been sealed for 100 years is to take the electrons and camera them block behind the board with 2 slits to receive it flat when the cold detector is released. Wave-like interference will occur on the receiving stripes. It's like throwing 2 stones at a pond. Water waves will cross and make patterns. Electrons behave like water waves. Go through both slits at the same time. Stack stripes with yourself. Once you put a detector next to the seam, I want to see which seam the electron goes through. The stripes are suddenly gone. They have the power to create. How could it be received in vain? There are only 2 stripes on the screen. It's not that we didn't see clearly, but when the electron is not observed, there is no fixed path at all. He's more like a takeout menu. It lists all the possibilities. Go left seam, go right seam, even around the back of the board. That's the wave function. And watch this move. Whether you see it with your eyes or measure it with an instrument, just like the moment you place an order, menu disappears. Only leave the dish you chose. For example, the left seam, that's wave function exploration. Many people think that Schrödinger's cat, I don't know if the cat is alive or dead when the cat is in the box. The physical state is the superposition of living and like dead. An unseen cushion going through 2 slits at the same time. Cats are also in 2 states at the same time. Only open the box to observe. This overlay menu will only be turned off. Become a definite result of live or die. Einstein was against Bohr. Does the moon only exist when we look at it? Bohr replied, how do you know what the moon looks like when it's not being observed? This is the fairy quarrel in the field of physics and our sleep. It is a quantum experimental field that you can experience firsthand. Feel it without the lab? Now it's your turn. Let's scale up the experiment to you. Let me clarify a key point. It's not that you're going to be like an electron in 2 beds at the same time. The macroscopic body certainly does not. Then why is it still tied to quantum? The crux of the matter is the difference in the observer. Your body is affected by injured liver. Basically, when you sleep in bed, molecules in the air, fiber in bed, even the lamp next to it. Examples of touching your body? These collisions are like a million little detectors, staring at your body all the time. So the body cannot become a probability cloud. Where the bed is, where is the body? This is common sense that we can touch and see. But the self-awareness is different. He is your observation of yourself. For example, I am the richest man. I like spicy food. I went fishing in the Air Force yesterday. These thoughts are actually consciousness confirming. Your identity, it's like a detector for electronics. In deep sleep, your brain activity decreases. The idea of who am I is temporarily turned off. The electron equivalent of the detector was disconnected. Your body is still there, but the conscious you're in a state of multiple possibilities. As I said before, I didn't place an order. The takeaway menu. No definite emotion. No definite memory, no confirmed identity. All the ambiguity about you may be temporary. You must ask, why am I still me when I wake up? And that's what's so amazing about it. Wake up. It is a comprehensive state determination in itself. Place an order as mentioned before, physiologically, brain reboot, who am I? Consciousness detector on reestablish that I am the richest man. The external environment, the sun shining on the face, eyes see light. Alarm clock rings, ears hear sound. The quilt is on the body. Skin feels these external signals. Reminder to help you lock the status. Turn off the various possibilities and consciousness. Only leave you now. Memory coherence. You can remember yesterday. It's like pulling out the previous memory records. Let's connect today's you with yesterday's you. Like an electron, every time it is observed, leave a record of which seam was left. Together, these are the motions of the electron. Your memory is your existence. At this point, you might ask, what does this have to do with my life? In fact, sleeping behind you, hidden is how we confirm our existence. The underlying logic let me explain first the following thoughts. It is a philosophical exploration extending from not a scientific conclusion. Let's open our minds. So, let's start with consciousness may be the central detector of self. We determine our own state every day. For example, you decide to earn a small goal. It's the mind observing its future self. From possibly eating of the many options for possibly eating barbecue, locked in the result of eating barbecue, even reminiscing about the past. I was happy when you thought about my birthday last year. I've been observing my past self. Let the past you stay happy. Without this memory, the past you may be like you were not. Looking at the mat becomes blurry possible. Secondly, the certainty of the universe may depend on the observer. When astronomers observe distant galaxies, in fact, it is also determining the state of the galaxy. Some details of the previous galaxy were not observed. Does a planet have an atmosphere? It is possible that there may be fuzzy state that may not be available until the telescope was pointed at him. This ambiguity becomes definitive results with or without atmosphere, and each of us it is an object whose state is determined by others. See you and remember you. They're the ones who determine the state of the world. You see the world, remember the world. Like electrons and detectors, mutually confirm each other's existence and the meaning of sleep. You may have thought it was a break before, but now you can change the angle. Sleep is the only thing you can experience firsthand, from determined states to multiple possibilities. The process of returning to the determined state. Every time you fall asleep, you temporarily turned off your detector. Every time I wake up, you reassert your state. It is clear that I have to continue with my current life. This is not metaphysics, it's a quantum perspective. Come up with a fresh idea. So, when you sleep, sleep may have a whole new meaning for you. He is no longer just resting, but every time I fall asleep, you are all briefly back melted into the probability background of the universe, the pure possibility of transcending individual identity, and every time I wake up, you have completed a great self from the infinite possibility. Firm choice again. Become the one watching the video at the moment. Tonight, when you fall asleep alone, try to feel the idea of. Then please let me know in the comment section, what do you think? You in that sleeping probability cloud state. What will you experience in your dreams?